stop. If you're thinking about buying GrokMAX, there's something you need to know first. What if I told you there's now an AI so powerful, people are literally canceling ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Midjourney after using it? Sounds impossible, right? But there's also something most reviewers are not telling you. So watch this video carefully before you buy. If you decide to get GrokMAX today, through my link below this video, I'm giving away exclusive bonuses worth over 3,000 completely free. What is GrokMAX? GrokMAX is basically an all-in-one dashboard that gives you access to Elon Musk's entire Grok AI ecosystem. That includes Grok 4, Grok Heavy, Grok 3, Grok Imagine, Grok Video, Grok Voice, and real-time X data integration. The biggest difference? Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, GrokMAX is built for bold, real-time, human-like responses instead of overly filtered corporate answers. And according to the creators, it can generate sales copy, YouTube scripts, viral posts, AI images, AI videos, research, marketing campaigns, and business ideas, all from one dashboard. Benefits: why people are interested. First, it has live access to X. That means GrokMAX can analyze trends happening right now, not outdated information from months ago. Second, it combines multiple AI tools into one system. So instead of paying ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity every single month, you get everything in one place for a tiny one-time price. And third, the outputs actually sound human. The copy feels sharper, the hooks feel more emotional, the scripts feel more engaging, especially for affiliate marketers, YouTubers, content creators, agency owners, and freelancers. This thing can save hours. Inside GrokMAX, you're getting Grok 4 plus Grok Heavy access, AI image generator, AI video generator, real-time research engine, YouTube and TikTok script creator, voice AI, commercial license, live trend analysis from X, AI workspace to save everything, and 99+ language support. And honestly, the biggest feature is probably the Grok Heavy mode, because it uses multiple AI agents debating internally before giving answers. That's something most AI tools don't even offer. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: massive value for the price, real-time data access, beginner-friendly, multiple AI tools in one place, commercial license included, and no monthly subscriptions. Cons: some claims are obviously marketing hype. AI outputs still require editing sometimes. Heavy users may still prefer dedicated premium tools, and results depend on how you use AI. So no, this is not some magic push-button millionaire software. But as an AI productivity and marketing tool, it's honestly impressive. Results: what to expect. With GrokMAX, you can create YouTube scripts faster, generate viral hooks, write emails and ads, build marketing campaigns, research trends in real time, create AI images and videos, and start freelance AI services. Could it help you make money? Yes, but only if you actually use the tool consistently. Now let's talk bonuses. If you buy through my link below, you'll get Bonus 1, GrokMAX Profit Blueprint, Value $497, step-by-step training showing how to turn GrokMAX into a 10K month income stream. Bonus 2, GrokMAX Viral Content Vault, Value $997, 500 high-performing viral content templates from X, just customize and post. Bonus 3, Intelligent Prompt Library, Value $797, 300+ powerful prompts designed to unlock the best responses from GrokMAX. Plus, more bonuses. Total bonus value over 3,000+ free. And the first buyers also get unlimited commercial license upgrade worth $1,997. So, is GrokMAX worth it? If you're someone who creates content, runs marketing campaigns, does affiliate marketing, freelancing, YouTube, or online business, then yes. I think GrokMAX is worth trying. Just don't expect miracles overnight. So if you want to check out GrokMAX and lock in all the bonuses before they expire, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.